Today, I'm going to walk you through changing your personal Vault PIN in the OneDrive app on your Android device. If you're concerned about security or just want a fresh start with a brand new PIN, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to update your PIN with confidence, so your most sensitive files stay private and under your control. Let's dive right in. First things first. Grab your Android phone and make sure you've got the OneDrive app installed and signed in. If you're not already logged in, it's a good idea to do that now, since you'll need full access to your personal vault to make this change. Now go ahead and open the OneDrive app. It's the blue cloud icon, and you can usually find it among your installed apps or in your app drawer. Give it a tap to launch. This is your entryway to all your personal files and, importantly, to your secure vault. Next, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see a little icon with either your profile picture or your initials. Depending on what you've set up, that's the Me icon. Go ahead and tap on that. Think of it as your command center for everything account-related in OneDrive. Once you're in your account area, you'll spot a gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Tap on Settings. Sometimes people overlook this step, but believe me, most personal options are tucked away here, so it's always worth a peek when you want to make changes. Now, within the Settings menu, scroll until you see Personal Vault. This is the digital safe where you can keep your most important documents, photos, or anything else you want locked away. Tap on Personal Vault. Accessing this is like opening a safe deposit box. You need the right codes to get in and manage your valuables. Here, where things start to get specific. When you tap into the Personal Vault options, look for the Change PIN option. Go ahead and select it. Now, don't worry if you don't see it right away. Sometimes menus get shuffled or look a little different depending on the app version, but take your time and be on the lookout. Changing your PIN periodically is a fantastic security practice. Think of it like changing the locks on your front door every now and then. It just keeps things safer. At this point, you'll be asked to enter your current PIN. This is an important step to make sure it's really you requesting the change. OneDrive doesn't want just anyone getting in. So type in your existing 6-digit PIN. And don't worry if you need a couple of tries. Everyone forgets their PIN now and then. If you can't remember it, there are recovery options available, so you won't be completely locked out. After you've entered your current PIN, you'll be asked to set a new one. Make sure you choose a 6-digit code that's easy for you to remember but hard for anyone else to guess. Steer clear of fun but predictable numbers like 123,456 or your birthday. This new PIN becomes the gatekeeper to your personal vault, so take a moment to think it over and double-check your entry before confirming. Sometimes it helps to jot down your new PIN in a secure location until you're sure you remember it. And that's all there is to it. Once you confirm, your personal vault in OneDrive is instantly updated with your new PIN, adding another layer of security and peace of mind. If you found this walkthrough helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you had any hiccups or if there's another OneDrive feature you want to explore. Don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and stay secure.